Shakur, Prendergast Entertainment. Hey. System for equal rights. Sometime in life mess up. And no matter how hard them a fight, tell them say me nah give up. Yeah, tribulations we face in a life, me just a hold it and I go and live up. Hey, look what them do to Jesus Christ. Mankind too dangerous. Hey. Fighting the struggles all angles. Feels like a spiritual strangle. While me lost in Bermuda Triangle, like the wind and the candle. So rough, why life so tough? But me still a hold the faith and I praise me God, me not give up. Why life so rough, so rough, so rough? Why life so tough? Up the ladder me a climb, me want me broke my spine, me not give up. Hey, hear me now. Tell them say no straight from the flock now. Sufferation for stop now. Politicians for change up them heart now. Full-time poor people start reap from the crop now. I no fear no foes or no pestilence. Father God demand me confidence. Jah as my witness and his evidence. It was written from in his Old and New Testament rough. Yeah, why life so tough? Yeah, but me still a hold the faith and I praise me God, me not give up.
Welcome once again to Big Stone Television. Today I'm here at 5 Grand Spen Avenue in Kingston. This is a place that Bob actually grew up as a young man. And I'm here sitting beside his younger brother that is known and well known out there as Andrew Blacks. Andrew Blacks.
Big Stone.
Well, before I start, I just want to offer you my sincerest of condolences. I understand how you feel at this particular moment because I've lost a mother, a sister, a father, and a nephew and a brother. So I know exactly how you feel. You are the younger brother to Robert Lee Malcolm, right? The second to last. I almost call a wash baby kind of baby. Almost wash man. Andrew, tell us a little bit about the early days of you growing up in Grand Spen.
I can remember far back on. No, childhood did. Nicest place I can imagine. I remember when I placed a blind eye tree. If enough people don't know blind eye tree, look at how you feel. Make kite, face kite and them things. Them things there. About the fence line. So we used to play, fly a kite, do all type of things. Hey, Grand Spen was nice. Best ever.
Did Bob grow up with you in those younger days?
No. We never spent childhood days together.
Okay, well, tell me a little bit more about your childhood days, because I did an interview with Bob's mother, Auntie Norma, and I also did an interview with your sister, Anne-Marie. And everybody keep asking me in the comment section, where is Andrew Blacks? Because for some reason, they kind of like the way I interview Auntie Norma and, of course, Anne-Marie. So I said, Blacks is my friend. I know him. We grew up in the same community of NC. Just gonna go over to Grand Spen and chat with him a little bit and find out about him. Because a lot of people want to know a little bit more about you before Bob came into the picture.
Yeah.
So elaborate a little bit about where did you go to school and what do you do as a young man getting into?
Yeah, well, I started out at a school we call it Coco Junko. Okay. And it from there to Chartwood. Probably again a little Chartwood about 88. Head on to Popfield Secondary.
And runner.
But Chartwood now. Chartwood school. I have a nice voice at Chartwood. When I Chartwood not from the crying.
Oh really?
Yeah, to see all of my friends them go with cries. But I kind of hide it, so I was like a shy thing to me. And you kind of face me not too
Into the thing.
So leave shorted onto popping. Size same way. More time be the man come used to come for peel. Not John. Me DJ. Not John be the man DJ. And I use the Mikey from around August phone.
Yes.
So it's a welcome crew, a group name, Untouchable Crew.
Untouchable.
Yeah. So I at them time I'm familiar with it. Wait a mackerel, being the same as if I do a piano sound.
Yes. Oh.
Yeah, me do him at little mouth.
Okay.
Yeah, same as it is. So if I take on to music or pop in and put me in a music class.
Yeah.
So one day I say, I'm test that thing. So when everybody sing, me not sing. So the music teacher said, Anto, me not hear your voice. It's your voice turned off.
Yeah, but because for him talks about the fact that they're not hearing your voice, it must have been a human voice.
So he's alright, put me in music class where we not think. I play the drum tune, we used to play the drum.
Okay.
So play the drums, yeah. We used to play the drum, we forgot compete with other schools.
Okay.
And I think they come with the second. So there were fourth year. Of course they are bopping. And they put me in the race with the fastest boy in the school.
Yeah.
Listen. And so when we win, you know,
Yeah.
I could hear the coach say, send for that boy there. And if I come, no. So I go in there, my says, you start training this week. If you don't train, I beat you. Yeah.
No, he was not impressed. It was not impressed with you.
Because he recognized a sprinter.
Okay.
And I say, oh, come training. Start training at the reverse, someone tell me like that.
What happened?
Because I'm not training. I'm not used to training. I'm peeing up every evening. I have to jog I won't. So I'm not having to take out of school, you know. And
Yeah.
you do your thing. And I'm peeing, I'm sleep, peeing up. You know, I still take on the track off field thing. With the track off field, long jump, ID, I play second in the high jump. Third in the long jump. But the one you didn't meet and he's a 200 meter them.
In none. Okay. So you could have easily gone on to a professional career. And are you saying bold?
I did get scholarship, you know.
For that, for running.
But we have a coach. We have a coach in our 4 years. Something would go wrong with him and with bird paper. And we have to look up all the bird paper them all over the okay. But some mix up thing with the paper and stuff. And we call it go on to how them call it. I'm a foreign. Okay. Overseas they go with track and field.
Okay. So where did the musical aspect in you start to creep in, recognize? Because somebody said you could sing.
Yeah, I'm a school, as we tell her, popping.
Yeah, but you branch off to track and field. So how did you get?
But the music was still there, you know.
It was always there.
Yeah, cause when we there at school, you know.
Yeah.
It's lunchtime.
Yeah.
We draw a crowd in the auditorium.
Yeah.
Everybody. We never school now for buy lunch.
So guess what, ladies and gentlemen, I know he's not going to expect this from Big Stone, but Big Stone's style of interviewing, we're not just going to talk about something that he's doing or capable of doing without even a nickel song from Andrew Betters. So give us a little short, one of the songs that you did when you was going to public school.
Oh, I'm afraid to write a tune. You'd actually try to write a tune. I'm a friend named Glenn Wright Taylor.
Yes.
In reside in Switzerland now. Okay. So we used to do a tune, me and him are work on a combination. I said, Father of a right, son of a right too. If you don't hurt me, son, you never hurt you. Well, listen to me, son, let me and you talk. We notice how we deal get every time that what if your friend them you will follow me and you have to talk. No, but catch you with a slip for order. Look up your ass. Wean up your skin, make your friend them laugh. You said, so daddy man, know you are angle me so. Me a big man, know me no. Little love. Every day you post me say me can DJ and if me answer your back, you try to beat me. Come here to me son, you know that not true. Come here to me now before me beat you. Same damn thing here where you want to. You want to lick me just to make tell you the truth. But if you lick me again and me get in a temper, me fling big stone and mash up the window. Send a telegram straight to me mother and if you don't come, me send for the enquirer.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know what I'm talking about. This has to be Gully Bop's brother. It has to be. Wow, what a talent, my brother. What a talent. Boy, and your blacksmith did it around it bit.
The other come here in news that we're drained. To where I just said, Pa. The sign, if I forget the sign.
But guess what? Jamaica and the world, the shining's done. But legacy will now fall in the hand of Angie Black. And we're not talking about A-N-G-U. We're talking about A-N-G-R-E-W. Blacks. All right? Well, they tell what we're telling, brethren. So, what happened after that song?
We try with the start of some little cover version of Cool and we're not jump till it. Be the man, giant this team. He's the really side tree, baby, on the man, yeah.
Yeah.
The team I believe for now, I remind us, be the man, remember them saying about the year murder after one. But we do a thing, see, and we until one of my brethren pass off. After me the man, one of 5 brethren that right near my private heard us from. Well, we leave properly in school and take up the trade serious as well. That.
So where did this trade come from? Is it a family legacy?
Yeah, my father was.
Oh, your father was there.
And then Dancehall Star. Okay, I'm a smaller brother.
You share the same auntie now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know?
It's now, that's your affectionate
Yeah,
of God.
I'm Bob call her auntie now.
And you call her Miss
Mommy.
Mommy now, man. I just want to big you up, and I had a wonderful time in the world. Love you. Just want to let you know that a lot of people are asking about you. A lot of people send their love to you. And Marie, the same exact thing. A lot of people are just clamoring for more. You're highly intelligent, you're a beautiful person, and that is great. Bop, how did Bop now got into the picture? How did you actually meet up with Bop?
As we go to school same way, there's a priest holiday called Bop. Bop was one of my favorite brothers.
Okay.
My bigger brother, that we have other brothers with that.
Okay.
We have a closest, but Bop now, Bop was the scarce one. That's what I see him.
Why you call it the scarce one?
Because him hardly around when we did younger.
Okay.
Because then him grow far from where we are.
Okay.
Because you know me from.
Right. And grow up in Archer.
Yeah, and grow south side with most of Malcolm them.
Okay.
My always was with the holidays at Bop.
Okay.
So sometimes when me send the punch him for country, Bop used to make music box out of orange juice box and put up some both together from brick like a music box.
Yeah.
Color it, make it look like a speaker. Wow. And used to make the sound. You do things, you do.
Yeah.
And a DJ and a things. I don't know how you do it.
Yeah.
But it made versatile. So I always are listening. But it tricky, you know.
Can we show you a little bit about the tricky side?
Yeah, my tricky, if it's a man to stay out, I had a country and you them most of the family man live and cook all the night so dumpling, you get out 2 dumpling, my Peter film one never. And you did that easy as it. I'm Georgia, but a spider the big. It's a buff that look on your meat gone.
Anne-Marie said the same thing. Yeah, he did that to Anne-Marie too.
Yeah, in 2 minutes I say, oh, it's a spider. But they look round.
The meat's gone.
Meat gone. Something gone out there, please. I say, oh, my plate looks so. But 2 years young, yeah, one day if you did eat it already.
Yeah, you can have a kitchen where
you see face, you can know if he do something wrong, you know.
yeah, come out that look there.
Yeah.
Come out that look there.
But whatever he was like anything still, because you don't know our big brother and our love we see him, you know.
Lucky Pop. When you start using the name Lucky Pop, how did you feel about that? Because then you suggest it and do the thing and have that eagerness to become a star.
Tell us a lot, did when Lucky get the name the Lucky France.
Yeah, I'm getting
He's over there around me, you know.
Yeah.
Then what him with that punch, I think he didn't get the name that King was son.
Oh.
Because the meaning of countryman, then Lucky from.
Or meaning countryman.
Yes. You know for sure, 1999 now. You can find it on YouTube.
As countryman.
Countryman. Go past stage with him, folk and a fan.
Yes, I see it and we mash it.
Go ahead and them banana.
Yes.
And a girl asks for a banana, and say a banana, you want a plant. So, you know, say him juvenile for him.
Yeah. So it was countryman,
And then now get
Lucky Pong, and then
now we get the name. All about.
all right. So
From the gully to the money.
from the gully to the money.
Yeah.
All right. So we move from countryman into Lucky Pong.
Yeah.
What kind of individual was
Lucky fact. Well, Lucky now, Lucky was a different person from countryman because, you know, everything going on stages.
Yes, I know.
So we leave from countryman where we kind of develop more, we get more advanced, start getting lyrical, girls. So it's a man now with us. Look when I'm being lyric.
Spontaneous.
I don't say, you have lyrics, so him no member.
Can build them on the spot.
Yeah, him build, no, him have some bad lyrics, some so for youth, he have to sing. We got enough place to sing him song them, you know. And big him up, see him, you know, before him even go after enough.
Everyone remember in one of them early songs we used to sing?
Yeah, him that one where him do about the entertainer then.
Yeah. Maybe you.
But it explicit. That
Why with it, man? Make we hear it, man.
I remember a tune that said, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. I'll entertain, follow back a country. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. I'll entertain, follow back a country. Holding up one on it. Don't bash a barrel, touch a barrel, can't hold me. See, I've bun in her panty. Cover little enemy, theory, set the chin. Boy, lad is done by Red Jack and said it. Drink off the jack and him a sell King Kong. They put Ninja Man in a one swing sound. Like a monkey, if he quick nego go look on Admiral get breeds. Tip up for Wilton, a man the belly to him than that is strong. Watch out, Admiral a sing bout Big Benny Man. Point. Lord, it done by his flower gun. In his flower gun, him and me big pudding pan drop the duckling on me pot. With the one by one, me the wife and me picnic. Sit down and yam and in a flower gun for me far and go jump. Clement Irish, you have one like Rami or the boy a been it. And police believe what that in the country. Let believe what that afraid of money. About country man, me no afraid of any. Trust the chat man come to me and nothing about sorry. So me buy a devil bed up and that me put in me thing. Me have a dive and bed. What me do? Take up Tracy Chapman, dead girl. Put me your foot on me, take is it? They put me Charlie, me father, me take. No, get up on her own like I did, she a did. I gonna a fling on the Chapman leg. She said, I don't want to know that bad movie dark.
Andrew Blacks, you could nail the legacy of the legendary iconic Cuddle Pop. Rest with you. As your brother Doc says, there's always changes and stages in life. And sometimes we have to want us to transition and make way. Not that you wish for it or you ask for it, but sometime in life and the way destiny has it, a transition will have a new birth.
Yeah, have them said one started, another one born.
Another one, but you was already born. Yeah, you're just unfolding to the world. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm so happy that I have this opportunity to be able to interview Andrew Blums. It is a moment that is very sad for him. And last night was his setup, his 9 night. And a lot of people came out. I want to pick up Peter Mitchell. I heard Peter Mitchell came here and he brought the house down. I also want to take this opportunity and big up Bounty Killer because in his last days, Bob said some great things about the DJ Bounty Killer. So Bounty Killer, anyway, there. And I've experienced your kindness. Pick up yourself. Pick up yourself. Pick up yourself.
Yeah, I'm going to speak for that kid. He mentioned
Killer. What did he say about Bounty Killer?
Him always there, why Killer always reach out to him no matter what. You cannot hear out mal, Killer and he miss. Alright, well, one ticket went early son to keep. I didn't pass over the mad wait on Killer. Said, still, see me DJ that. Me, Killer, you don't have an app.
Killer is that kind of a person. But let's get back now to Lucky Pong. So Lucky Pong days him did back in Lucky Pong days him was I wish we had social media then to capture back. So after Countryman Lucky Pound. What happened to Bop? That things went a little downhill and that viral video had to rebirth up again and project into the world. What happened there?
Parents. But now, Bob getting sealed. And he start off well. Right? And no people blame Chin, you know. No people blame Chin, but wouldn't blame Chin. Can't blame life never Chin, but wouldn't reach when the
Everybody is important to the journey.
everybody, and she should play a big role.
Okay, but before we get to Chin, because something happened to Bop, and we're not going to get into the nitty-gritty of it. Something happened there that put Bop on a spiral down, and even, maybe the fact that he didn't get the opportunity that he needed as a budding artist because he knew he had the talent and so on. So he went into a little downside. And then a young man, or was it a young woman, who videotaped? A young man videotaped Bop, and the rest is history. Bop became an overnight success based on that viral video. And I want to big up that young man. Does he have a name?
I heard about two different individuals. Okay. And I don't really know the
There's only one person that did that one video.
them say put first the video, but one put it out.
Okay. So we're talking about the one that put it out.
Yeah, I don't really know him,
Am I right?
in Berthy.
We just want to big him up because, like I say, every person have their role to play.
Right.
And there's a French word known as esprit de corps. And esprit de corps means the animated spirit of good comradeship should exist in any group or organization. A chain is as strong as its weakest link. So every link to this chain is important. A lot of people might say the class, because if you lose the class, the one that keep the chain together, it is more expensive. But no, every link to that chain, because if you have a broken link, I don't care how strong your clasp is, you're going to lose the chain. So big up to that young man. Big up, big up, big up. Then the viral video came. How did Shauna Chin learn a batch? Was it after the viral video? Did she see the viral video?
Yeah, I guess she did. I guess she did. No, the viral video. And yeah, I think she was interviewed so Bob after Bob go on to do a documentary session
Okay.
somewhere, and she was interviewing the Bob with it. And the rest is history.
Yeah.
But she played a great part in boxer.
And for you to say that, Andrew, I want to big you up, man, because, this is social media based. And people are going to be watching this video, and they're going to be taking parts of the video. Like they did the video, I Visit Your Mother, and they want to do it to their own waves.
Yeah, I'm talking from my perspective.
So from your perspective, you want to say Shauna Chin. And I agree with you. Because like I say, a chain is as strong as its weakest link.
Everyone, I can say the reason why I would say that, she reached out to me in the way when Bob was after going on his own call.
Again, the second time.
No, there's during the time when he was going on the door part, because them give it he never do the second thing.
No, we're not talking. The scene, it's pretty downfall. We're talking, the first one existed, then the viral video, and then after that, he became sick and then start to go again on a second down.
Oh, so you're talking about the first downfall.
Okay.
Where Chin reach out to me regular all time. Because if Bob go a little show a little fake, and them say Chin call it the morning, Chin call me. I say, Andrew Black, where it? And what we did, she reach on my foot. She say, your mother did. You can put say pocket and their bread I'm sharing. So she do that at several occasions.
Yeah.
So I can speak for myself. I don't know about anybody else or who can stay outside and talk. But to play our part.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, you've heard it from Andrew Blocks in regards to the Shauna Chin contribution because a lot of people say they negative. I mean, Big Stone is not one of those vloggers who dwell on negativity. We want to hear the positive things that happened to Bop, see rise and cousin fall. Bop became ill about 3-4 years ago. I saw he did an operation for.
During the time when he did the surgery.
Yes.
Yeah.
Was it after staying?
Yeah, it was after Sting.
Okay, so let's go back before the surgery then. December 2014. And ladies and gentlemen, I have to big up Isaiah Lay and Supreme Promotion because Bop was the featured act. A lot of people say, no, you can't make it, it does come from the gully. No, not true, not right. But guess what? Bop teased everybody.
And get the surprise of them.
When Bop stepped out on the stage, man, I was so proud. I didn't know him yet, but I was so proud because his story, I can resonate with his story. I grew up poor. I went to school barefooted. Kaya mattress and chin was my life. So nobody can tell Big Stone about poverty and hunger and all that kind of stuff. So when I saw Bop rise, I was there for him and I felt so good. How did you feel? And
why do you feel like I needed most?
Where were you when Bop touched the stage? All
right, see, before Bop people come out with that big exposure that
yes.
I used to run off and chill with it. The Andrew Black. My brother busting up. And I laugh. I say, can you see that laugh? I say, brother, bust. He was still taking that joke.
Yeah.
You see it. Then let's deal. ER. Run off a full of.
Where were you when you got the news that Robert E. Malcolm, Gully Bop, is no longer with us?
Alright, so I was sleeping. Actually, I was sleeping.
Yeah.
And my phone I ring off the hook. Some phone I ring so. The phone I ring right through. I'm thinking the room. I'm look feeling I sleep.
Yeah.
Now answer no call and phone I ring. And it's one part of the number. I say, hello. I say, oh, this. I say, what about dead? The what about dead? Oh, phone and I see. And I say, first just a while ago.
Yeah, it just hit you a while ago, yeah.
I said, what about dead? I think my sister they called me, you know.
Yeah.
I think I'm married, fam. I said, what about this? So before I ring, see one. I throw my phone in so. So that's everybody warned. Everybody, you know, advice once I get contact. All right, I'm running the mission. You are true.
Yeah.
Overseas.
Yeah.
Local. Yeah. Some phone ring to me tired.
Where I was, I got a phone call from DJ Licoleni. It was about that time when I was talking to Jimmy Leo and DJ Licoleni, and we were talking about Bop. We were saying that DJ Licoleni was saying that, Big Stone, you know, I want to do something for him. And what I want to do something substantial in terms of not just giving him money to get some bags or so. He wants to find out who the doctor is and if he needs surgery. DJ Licoleni is a great person. I have to big up Leo Ark. I want to big up Jimmy Leo from Leo Ark International, because those two brothers talk to me practically every day about that.
You know what I mean? About Jimmy and with reach out.
Yeah.
What Bop said.
So Jimmy's a great human being. DJ Licoleni is a great human being. Bounty Killer is a great human being. The women, you spoke about Sean and Shane. What about Olive?
Olive thing though. Yeah, Olive wasn't there from year one. Olive reached out to me, okay, quite a few times. And she always wanted me to say, Bop, alright, okay. Right, and I always say, Bop said, I should say, am I alright? I'm going to say, yeah. I'm already never reached out to me before.
Yeah.
Never knock one.
Yeah. Well, let's not get stuck there. Let's move on to Jackie Hunt from England.
I'm not. I've never spoke with Ducky.
Oh, yeah, we spoken through that. Okay. But guess what? I know.
I'm low key.
Yes, I know. But I just want to big up Jackie because Anne-Marie spoke highly of her. Your mom, spoke highly of the work that she did, and she manages Bop career throughout. So, Jackie, all condolences goes out to you, I guess, particularly. Jamaica. Jennifer, oh, could I forget Jennifer Barron? Big up yourself, Jennifer. I'm glad you remember, man. I'm glad. I just want to say this, and we're closing off now because it's getting a little later, and we'll probably have to do a part 2 when Andrew Blacks is in a more somber mode. We just want to say, at this moment, the world is mourning with you. I knew Bop was popular in life, but trust me, people from the woodwork came out. Even people that were saying negative things about Bop starting to say positive things because they saw the structure, the family structure. They saw Mama Norma, Auntie Norma. They saw Anne-Marie. They saw you. They saw Doc, the other brother. And when they get a chance to see how the family was, because a lot of people say, well, if he had this nice family, how did they allow him to suffer? Let me tell you something from a third party looking in. Bop has his own way. You think Andrew can stop Bop if Bop seriously wants to go out and do something on his own, or anybody at all? We all know that Bop has his own way. So they did what they had to do as family. They did every single thing that they could do as family. They loved him. They cared for him. They reached out for him when he was ill. You understand? They did everything as a family. And I can stand as a testimony. I can give a testimony towards that. What do you want to say to his many fans out here, close?
Thanks for all show support. And from me and the rest of the family, continue being you. It counts.
Where can they find you on social media, Andrew? Andrew, just spell out your name because I want them to make sure they don't confuse the ANGU or ANDREW. Where can they find you on social media?
You can find me at Andrew Black on TikTok or Andrew Chamberlain. Andrew Chamberlain on TikTok. Andrew Chamberlain on Facebook. Can't hide. I'm not that hard to find. If you see me, you see me.
In terms of your career, where does it go from here? Because guess what? I personally, as a record distributor and as a scout, you have a remarkable gift.
As I would say, sky's the limit.
Yes, and we can look out for some works coming in from you. You ever recorded anything?
Any songs out there for you? Not really, but I did some like special for Soul Goer Thief.
Okay.
For Phil.
Okay.
Uncle Phil.
Uncle Bill.
Yeah. I did some with they wanted.
Yes.
Yeah, I did some work for Phil. To go overseas recording.
Okay. Well, guess what? I am a record producer. For the coming year, I want to be the first record producer to take you in the studio, videotape everything from scratch, and watch you put out your first single. Because guess what, ladies and gentlemen, we know we have lost a legend, an icon in Robert B. Malcolm, Gully Bop. Andrew Black is. Look out for him. He's gonna make a difference in the music prepared. Anything else you want to say? What else you want to be?
Just want to big up. Take time out to big up all of my classmates in the karaoke in the Blocks 3 miles. Check out karaoke on a Thursday. Check out Georgia karaoke on a Thursday. Other Wednesday, Inns Road, they check out so much thing that come to my head. But big up all of my karaoke friends them. Once we did it, we're not part of the team too. So I just want karaoke link.
Here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Andrew Black's Chamberlain, one of Bop's younger brother. I'm going to big up his older brother as well. I want to big up all his siblings in his family, even from the Malcolm side. Big up to each and every one of you, and we share your pain, and we grieve in your loss as well. It has been a beautiful evening talking to Andrew. I had a wonderful time. And I get to understand and find out that Andrew have a great, great, great voice. Look out for Andrew, brother. He's someone to reckon with. A big stone.
Just silenced.
I want to big up my friend, Juby. Now, Juby is one of those friends that I've known for almost 25, 30 years as a talent scout. And Juby, in the latter part, was always there looking out for Robert Lee Malcolm. So, Juby, I understand your pain, I feel your loss, and I know how you felt about Bob, and I know of your contribution. Pick up yourself, enough luck to you.
Respect you. Respect the
Thank you so much, right?
The pleasure. The pleasure.
See you soon when part 2. Oh, we're not going to tell you the date of Bob's funeral. It is a secret until for a
Date to be announced.
a date to be announced, right?
You are good, you are kind. I have never seen your kind. I am devoted to your praise and forever to your name. You are good, you are kind. I have never seen your kind. I am devoted to your praise and forever